Welcome, traders. At Trading Funder, our mission is to guide you through the world of funded trading, helping you find the best firms and strategies for your goals. In this session, we'll explore MyFundedFutures Payout and withdrawal policies, essential knowledge for anyone considering this prop firm.
Hey, quick heads up. I've got exclusive discounts and coupon codes from 30% to 90% waiting for you in the description, thanks to our partnership with major prop firms in the market. And if you want detailed, honest reviews on funded trading programs and prop firms, just head over to tradingfunder.com. All right, let's continue with the presentation.
Overview of MyFundedFutures Payout Policy. MyFundedFutures offers one of the most trader-friendly payout structures. You keep all profits up to $10,000 after your threshold, and then earn a generous 90% of additional profits. Withdrawals can be requested every 2 weeks, making it flexible and reliable. Plus, the minimum withdrawal is just $1,000, ensuring accessibility for various trading levels. Withdrawal process at MFFU. Withdrawing your profits is straightforward. You'll need to log into your dashboard and submit a request, selecting your preferred payment method, RISE or cryptocurrency. Don't forget KYC verification. This ensures your identity is verified and avoids delays. Requests are processed on weekdays, with funds usually arriving in 3 days. Profit thresholds and buffer zone. It's crucial to understand the buffer zone. Profits up to a certain threshold can be withdrawn, depending on your account size. For example, a $50K account has a $2,000 threshold. Once you make a withdrawal, the buffer resets to zero, so plan withdrawals strategically to maintain your trading leverage. Withdrawal methods and restrictions. MFFU offers flexible payout methods, RISE or cryptocurrency, giving you options based on your preference. However, traders in evaluation phases can't withdraw, and accounts in restricted countries are ineligible. Plus, having more than 10 active accounts disqualifies you from payouts, so manage your accounts wisely. Taxes and fees. Taxes on payouts aren't withheld, so you'll need to report them as income. Fees vary. Cryptocurrency payouts might include network charges, while RISE withdrawals depend on their fee structure. Keep detailed records of transactions for tax compliance and peace of mind. Conclusion. MyFundedFutures stands out for its lucrative profit-sharing model and efficient withdrawal process. By understanding the payout rules, you can maximize your earnings. For tailored advice and the latest updates on top prop firms, visit us at tradingfunder.com.